What's up, everybody? Yeah, I bought one of these little trucks at Walmart. $10. It's not bad, actually. Yep. But anywho, on to the haul and review. So, picked this up on Monday, Target. Skyline R34. Looks pretty good. Yep. Carbon fiber hood, right hand drive. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty good. Then the hood, and it's not like a lift hood, it just kind of like comes off. So I do have one of these from that anime box set thing that they did. It's a Majorette. If you didn't know, the pink slip cars are like Majorette branded. Like if I open this and looked at the bottom, it's gonna say Majorette on it. But yeah, made in Thailand. So that was pretty cool finding that. And then today, we started hitting the Walmarts here, and also picked up the new Series 11 cartoon, the VW G1. Pretty cool. This one, and look how the cartoon's done up on the back. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, got the nice big little logo on the front there. The wheels, rims on that are pretty cool. Got the treads. Yeah, so definitely had to grab that one. This is the full wave Series 11. Yeah, that's probably it's the main one I wanted. I did kind of want that, but then actually seeing that's like but there's like a pink one that's a hobby exclusive one, so that'd be a cool one to get maybe. But, yeah, very cool. Also picked up this motorcycle, but this is more for my roommate who collects these. So it's gonna be for him. Well, if I find another one of these, I might grab one for myself. It's a nice like blue on there. But anywho, let's check out these new Adventure Forces. So, sorry, I got a cracked blister. This one's got a little cracked blister. So I'll just open these up and check these out. So we'll take a look at the Porsche first. Porsche 911 Carrera S. So they got these new cards, of course. I'm sure some of you have seen these. And some of these actually have interiors now. Alright, so take a closer look at these new Adventure Force models. We got like the window piece for the headlights. The nice Porsche logo on the front. Found it look pretty alright. Ooh, look at that. It's a backside. A whole lot of detail on the bottoms, but that, it's 97 cents. Interesting. Alright, let's look at that interior. Some of these have interiors now. There are still some that have no interiors. But yeah, some of these now have interiors on them. Look at that. Alrighty, not too bad, not too bad. We'll go ahead and keep the theme of the red. This Corvette, the paint on this looks really nice. Let's try out and do it this way, see if this works better. Oh yeah, that's much easier. Ooh. Look at the paint on that. Wow. Backside. That. Nice. A little something on the window, but on the inside of there. Ew. And then once again, we have like the window piece for the headlights. Corvette logo. I'll see the interior a little bit from there. Wow. Yeah, this looks pretty good. There's the base. Very nice. And then last, this Ford Mustang GT in this purple. This one looks really good too. See, there I also saw a Dark Horse Mustang, but that one has no interior on it. Look at that. Yeah, look at this front end. This front end looks pretty good. We got the Mustang thing on the grill there. Oh, look, there's the back side, rear. Yeah, these look pretty good. Interior. Oh, wow, look at that. Even a little cup holder on there. See the stick shift, you see the little cup holder area. Wow. That is pretty good. Wow. Yeah. Ooh, I like the way this one rolls compared to the other two. Very cool. Awesome. Yes, be on the lookout for the new Adventure Force cars at Walmart. Some of them actually look pretty good. Especially I like this one. This one's really good. Alright, well, thanks for watching and catch you on another one. And my other one after this is going to be a little card break. Found this at Walmart. So, we did a blaster box for it. If anyone knows about MLW wrestling, that's coming. Also, gonna have show off some hits from some card breaks as well. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.